Hi guys, welcome to the beginner's guide to using AI to generate images. We're going to be using simple diffusion today, but the prompts that I'm going to be showing you and sharing with you in a separate document which you can access online whenever you choose. No email or anything that needed. So yeah, they're way for most of the AI engines out there. So have fun, experiment, and let's get in there. Incidentally, this is a beginner's guide. There's going to be no jargon, none of that nonsense. Okay, just you can get in, copy the prompts, treat them if need be, and start generating your own work. Here's a couple of examples that you can see on the page here that are generated, and it's dead simple and it's lots of fun. So let's jump in there, guys. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do first and foremost. Okay, guys, pardon the lighting. It's just a kind of ad hoc video that I've done here, so I hope you're okay with that. So let's put our prompt in. This is the kind of basic prompt that I started using. I wasn't happy with the results, but we'll go through it together and you can actually see what kind of standards we can get to pretty quickly, and just by using the prompts that I'll supply, and you can, like I say, copy and paste them and treat them as need be. So not the best in the world. Let's see what we can do with that, guys. So here, guys, we've got a slightly more in-depth prompt, and it should give us a much better kind of output, I would have thought. So we're giving it more detail, more direction, and included a couple of genres and famous illustrators, I think, from this one, from the genre, which will help inform the AI engine as to what we're looking for from our end results. So the better the prompts that you give the AI, the better the results. So it's like garbage in, garbage out kind of thing. So quality in, quality out. Okay, so they're quite nice, guys, and they do follow the prompt script, which is really, really cool. So now, guys, moving on to skylines, because there's a lot of tourist products that we can actually help to produce and inspire using pieces of kit like this. So let's see what we get. Okay, guys, so what we'll do is we'll just paste that prompt in and we'll see how we get on with this. This is quite a basic one again, guys. So I'm trying to show you the difference that having good quality prompts makes to your work. Any suggestions, give me a shout and pass them on to me, and yeah, have fun. So yeah, getting much better, guys. Yeah, so let's go and see another one. Okay, guys, so now I'm informing the AI that I want this to be a manga style skyline of Liverpool's waterfront. It's going to be inspired by the famous manga artist, I can't pronounce his or him, and it must include the liver building and the liver birds. So let's see how it gets on, guys. So the images that we've got here in the AI engine at the moment, or the interface to the AI engine, are just from a very basic prompt. What I'm pasting in here now is a more sophisticated prompt, and let's see how we get on. Okay, guys, so we didn't get the liver birds in this one. Now, I think what's happening here is we're being very, very sort of granular and specific. I have run this on a couple of occasions and it has produced great results. So with all the AI engines, it's a little bit hit and miss with the results, but you can keep working on it, guys. Keep honing your prompts and you'll get brilliant results. Okay, guys, now we're going for a caveman, and this is quite sophisticated. The prompt that we put in quite detailed and directive. So let's see what we get. Okay, guys, so we're certainly getting improvements here. So this guy looks super scary. I don't know if he's a little bit cross-eyed. This particular piece of kit that I'm using today has a beautifying button on, so that might solve the issues we've got with the eyes there. We'll come back and check in a second. This is very good, guys. I'm impressed with this. These images, sometimes they come out low resolution, so what you need to do if you want high resolution is just pop them into an AI imaging software to upscale them. Simple as that, guys. Works very well. So unfortunately, we haven't been able to fix this, guys. I'm totally sorry. But moving on swiftly. Okay, guys, so we're going for something now that the AI engine has direct reference to. So we're looking for supermodels, dark-skinned supermodels, full headshots. And let's see what we get, guys. Okay, guys, so we've got two nice images here. And this one I wouldn't use. It seems to be slightly out of proportion. So I'll treat this, actually, I won't treat this particular prompt because I've been getting some really, really good results from it. So if this prompt and this output interests you, take the actual prompt that I'm sharing in the Google Doc, and just tweak it for your own needs. It's easy to do, guys. We'll do one more, then I'll call it quits, and you can just you can play with the video as you choose. Okay, guys, so I wanted to show you some images of animals. This is a basic prompt, a lion drinking a glass of milk. You see that every day, don't you? So there's one. The prompt is there for the second one, which is fairly cool. And then the third one, I actually asked for it to be influenced by Salvador Dali, which is pretty cool. Oh yeah, this is the black and white one. With a photographer that was going to influence this one. So guys, the document's here. Just jump in, have a play around with it. Let me know what you think, and any tips you can share, always appreciated. So take care, have a great evening, and speak to you later. Bye bye.